सर आयज तुमी सीएम सराक मेळ्ळा सो कितें मॅटर आसलो?
आयज आमी एक खास प्रपोजल घेवन गेल्ले ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन बिकॉज फॉर लास्ट 1 year वी हॅव बीन टॉकिंग अबाउट वॉटर मेट्रो इन गोवा. We have inspected water metro and in Kerala, and we have found that if it can work in Kerala waters, it definitely the Goa waters have got more potential than Kerala. And then we had a series of meetings with Mr. Loknath Mehra, who is a MD of Kochi Metro, and all his entire team of engineers and Kochi Metro personnels, directors and all others. Anik आमी जेन्ना तांकां रिक्वेस्ट केली की they only said that Goa is the most potential state wherein we should have this kind of project. Why? Because Goa is a touristic destination. Goa has got good cool waters all across this. Goa has got islands. Goa has got mountains which are connected to rivers. Goa has got temples connected to rivers. Goa has got forts connected to rivers. So with म्हणजे ह्या सगळ्या कारणा खातीर they have preferred to come here and made a feasibility report. Now ह्या feasibility report करता आसतना ताणें तांचे टोटल टीम आयली, 2 फावटी आयली, 15-15 दीस ते रावले आनीक तांणी एक सर्वे कंडक्ट केल्या. सगळे ज्यो सायट्स आसात त्यो ताणें रूट्स इन्स्पेक्ट केले. There are 7 routes they have found out that these are most feasible in the first phase, and that we must have something like 85 म्हणजे वेसल्स आमचे येवपाक जाय, ह्या 9 रुटाचेर चलपाक जाय. आयज आमचे कडेन गोंयान भितर सादारण ते 43 to 45,000 पॅसेंजर्स आर यूजिंग वॉटर ट्रान्सपोर्ट. आणि हे जर जालो, हो प्रोजेक्ट जालो जाय, ही कनेक्टिविटी आसा, इजिली इट वील गो ओवर 1 lakh हातून भितर जातले कम्युटर्स जातले. आनीक त्या भायर ट्युरिस्टीक एक हें जातलें. म्हणजे तांणी जी कोची मेट्रो बांदलेले आसात त्यो शिप्स, ती वेसल्स आसा पळय न्ही, दे हॅव बीन अवॉर्डेड इंटरनॅशनल अवॉर्ड्स फॉर दॅट. द सिमिलर कायंड ऑफ शिप्स ऑर वेसल्स दे म्हणजे पब्लीक ट्रान्सपोर्ट वेसल्स वील कम टू गोवा. आनीक एक गोंयचें नांव एक वेगळ्या स्तराचेर वतलें. सो रायट अवे वी हॅव नॉट एक्सप्लोर्ड दी वॉटर्स इन गोवा. ताजे खातीर आमकां हो जर ट्रान्सपोर्ट अक्रॉस जालो जर जायत, गोवा वील बी अ प्रिफर्ड डेस्टिनेशन फॉर ऑल द टुरिस्ट when we have such a beautiful sea, sand and sun. It will add on to the waters also. It will add on connecting all the temples. म्हणजे एक मुवमेंट जातलो, एक आयटनरीन भितर आमचे वॉटर मेट्रोज आसा ते बरे प्रमाणान जातले. सो दीस वॉज द प्रोजेक्ट वीच वी रिक्वेस्टेड मिस्टर लोकनाथ बेहरा, हू इज अ MD, and he has selected this. आनीक म्हाका दिसता की सेंट्रलाक आमी we are trying to collaborate with the center for this project, and we have explained this project to Honorable Chief Minister, and Honorable Chief Minister liked it very much, and he said that immediately within a week's time we will go to the PMO's office and Central Minister Mr. Sonawala, तांचे कडेन वचून आमी we will promote this project. So I would like to explain Mr. Loknath Behera, the MD of Kochi Metro, say a few words.
So has already told everything. Say Goa is a picture perfect place for implementing water metro. My technical team says that even the situation here is better than even Cochin, and therefore this particular project, which is actually we are thinking it will be bigger than Cochin and a little costlier than Cochin, but it will be very good for Goa, and Goa is an international tourist destination, and tourism as well as the common persons who are traveling in water can use this sustainable way of transport. And the Honorable Chief Minister is very clear in his mind that this particular project has to come. The Goa water metro has to come. So we will work together with the government of Goa and also the central government to see that this is actually implemented as quickly as possible. All efforts will be done to start the project during this financial year itself. Thank you.
रूट सांगता तुम्ही खंयचे खंयचे हे केलं?
Routes and details we will give it to them. उसका दे दो.
ओके सर ते कोची मेट्रो ऑब्झर्वन्साक तुमच्या डिपार्टमेंटांच्यान कोण कोण गेल्ले तुम्ही
We
आसले
have
सर
made couple of visits to Kochi and explained because he is the person who was there in Goa for a long year, and then he proposed a brain behind him is Mr. Shajindra.
Shaji Janardhanan. I am the Chief General Manager of Water Transport from Kochi Metro Rail Limited. And this is one of the places we found as one of the best places where the waterways, if you see it, it is like a backwater, though it is connected, it is siltation is very less, and also we have no water hyacinths, so it is very suitable for establishing a great system of water transportation. And Goa, many people are using it now. When you have more facility and amenities for the passengers, we are 100% sure that the passengers and the tourism is going to be doubled than what is currently now. Now, I was in Goa for about 6 years in the 90s, but then I've seen a lot of change and it is growing. So, and the minister's interest, actually he came there and witnessed everything, and there we have 78 boats and 38 terminals, and currently it is operating in 25 kilometers only, although it is planned for 76 kilometers. But then it is functioning very well, and it has been uploads are come from various parts of the world, and we are also doing various feasibility studies across India, from Srinagar to Assam and 11 states in India, and about 2 union territories we are doing it. And we are also doing the DPR for the Mumbai water metro.
We have 9 routes. I will just 8 routes at present, and covering about 111 kilometers of river route. One first route is Panji, Britona, Chorao Island, Amboi, Washim, Narwa. This is first route. Second route starts from Betim, Panji, Ribandar, Diwar Island, San Pedro and Old Goa. Third route starts from Old Goa, Pedad, Sao Matias, Diwar, Narwa and Sarmanas, Tonka. The fourth route is from Vasco to Kotalim. Fifth route is Kotalim, Madkai, Rasai, Adpai and Durbat. The sixth route is Old Goa, Kalto, Dauji, Gundalim and Kumbharjua. Seventh route is Panji, Donapaula, Viewpoint, Vasco. आणि आठवा रूट असा पणजी, रेजमगोज, फोर्ट अग्वादा and Baga Creek and Shapura. The ninth route we are still exploring because it is of different Shapura, Fort, Kerim and Terakol. It is little bit of sea and it is altogether a different kind of proposal that we are looking forward.
आयज फक्त प्रपोजल दिला ना तुम्ही काय
I mean feasibility report is made and it is submitted to central government for approval, and we would be collaborating with central government and this project will be moved further.
फिजिबल असं हे करप
Feasibility report, this is the most feasible state in India. You know, they had tried on 18 states, but गोयचे proposal आसा ते first गेल्ले आसा कारण they like Goa water very much, and the prospects that we have found in Goa are much better than any other state.
जागा ड्रेजिंग बिजिंग करची पडटा
ना ड्रेजिंग भी काय ना सध्या काय ना if required
कम होगा, ज़्यादा नहीं होगा.
करना पड़ेगा थोड़ा
थोड़ा कहीं कहीं जगह पर जहाँ सिल्टेशन ज़्यादा नहीं है, यहाँ पानी का डेप्थ ठीक है.
Right now we get 111 kilometers of route without dredging. If required, if in expansion phase we will require to do it.
तर टोटल न्यू वेसल कितके येऊ शकता या प्रोजेक्टा अंडर
87.
87 आणि ते गोंयानूच मॅन्युफॅक्चर
So
जातले
it is in phase wise.
Actually, we can manufacture in Goa shipyard, which is one of the best shipyards in the country. And there are so many other builders are also there. So many boat
Goa's has a large share in ocean shipbuilding. Goa is the one amongst the biggest state. Over 50% of the ships are built in Goa.
Especially river navigation.
River.
सर आनीक म्हणल्यार गोवन्सांक जॉब क्रिएट जातले न्हय हितून
अजून भितर जॉब्स आसा ते गोवन्साकच येतले बिकॉज वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू गिव इट ऑन हायर बेसिस ऑर नॉट ऑन कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेसिस. इट इज फॉर गोवन्स.
थँक्यू सर
या
Sir, thank you, sir.